Hello students, today we will do exercise number 2.3. So in this exercise we have to solve the multiplication of a fractional number by another fractional number. Clear? So your first question is find 1 by 4 of A part 1 by 4, B part 3 by 5 and C part 4 by 3. So you have to find 1 by 4 of all these three fractional numbers. Clear? So in first A part you have to find 1 by 4. Of means you have to do multiply. Of which number? 1 by 4. So you have to simply multiply this fractional number numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. So answer is 1 by 16. In the second part, you have to find 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 5. Now 1 3s are 3 and 4 5s are 20. So answer is 3 by 20. In C part, you have to find again 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Now in this term, 4 and 4 become cancelled. ठीक है? तो सी 4 ना 4 cancel कर सकते हैं. So what is left here? 1 divided by 3. So this is your first part. Next second part, you have to find 1 by 7 of 2 by 9, 6 by 5 and 3 by 10. So it is same as first part. In first part, you have to find 1 by 7 of which fractional number? 2 by 9. So you have to multiply numerator by numerator. 1 2s are 2 and 7 9s are 63. In B part, you have to find 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. So 1 6 is 6 and 7 5 is 35. Answer is 6 by 35. In the last part, you have to find 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. So it is 1 3 is 3 and 7 10 is 17. Answer is 3 by 7. Next question number second. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. You have to multiply the following given fractions. After that, you have to reduce it in lowest form. तो इसके बाद हम lowest form में convert करोगे if they are possible. So first is 2 by 3. Multiply 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is what? It is a mixed fraction. You have to convert it into improper fraction first. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, it is 8 divided by 3. Now you have to multiply this given fraction. So 2 8s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. So 16 by 9. It is converted to lowest form or not? No. So answer is 16 by 9. You can also convert it into mixed fraction. So 9 ones are 9, 16 minus 9 is 7. So answer is 17 by 9. Clear students? Next 2 by 7 multiply 7 by 9. So in this fraction number 7 7 cancel. So answer is 2 divided by 9. So 2 by 9 cannot be converted into mixed fraction because it is a proper fraction. Clear students? So next part number 3rd to 7th is your homework. Next question number 3rd, multiply the following fraction. So it is same as question number 2nd. So you have to multiply the given fractional numbers. So first is 2 by 5, it is proper fraction, and 5 1 by 4 is a mixed fraction. You have to convert it into improper fraction. So 2 by 5 numerically. So 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 4. Now you have to multiply 2 by 21 and 5 by 4. So 21 2s are, it is 42 and 5 4s are 20. Now 42 by 20, you have to convert it into lowest form. So 42 by 20, कितने टेबल जाएंगे? 2 टेबल. So 2 कितने 42, 21 sir, 2 कितने 20, 10 sir. So 21 by 10. Now you have to convert this fraction into again mixed fraction. 10 2s are 20, 21 minus 20. Only 1. So answer is 2 1 by 10. You have to divide like this. 10 2s are 20. So what is this fraction form? Quotient remainder over divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1 and divisor is 10. Clear students? Next second part. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 5. Multiply 7 by 9. Clear? Now you have to multiply 32 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. 5 9s are 45. Now 224 by 45, you have to convert it to mixed fraction. So 45 1s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 45 3s are 135, 45 4s are 180, 45 5s are, which is I think 225. Clear? So you have to take them in 4 numbers. 45 4s are 180. So 4 minus 0 4, 12 minus 8 4. So quotient is 4, remainder is 44 and divisor is 45. So answer is 444 by 45. Clear students? So next third to seventh part is your homework. Clear? क्वेश्चन का थर्ड को लेके 7th पार्ट किया होमवर्क. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, which is greater? So there are two fractions. First one is this and second one is this. We have to compare that which fraction is greater. So first is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or second one is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So you have to solve first this term and second this term. ठीक है? उससे पहले इस टर्म को सॉल्व करोगे फिर इस टर्म को करोगे. So in the first term 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 and in the second term 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Clear? So first 2 3s are 6 and 7 4s are 28. In this term 5 5 cancel. So what will left here? 3 by 8. So 6 and 28. So check करो हम कुछ reduce कर सकते हैं? Yes. In the table of 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 14s are 28. So the first fraction is 3 by 14 and the second fraction is 3 by 8. So now we have to check that 3 by 14 and 3 by 8, which one is greater? So you have to do cross multiply. So this 3 multiply by 8 and this 3 multiply by 14. So now 3 8s are how much? It is 24 and 14 3s are it is 42. So which one is greater, 24 or 42? 42 is greater. So which fraction is greater? 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Clear students? So at the end you write like this, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is less than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. ठीक है? सेम आंसर इसका लिखोगे कि जो 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 है less than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Clear students? So next second part of question 4 is same. So it's your homework.